Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. His Excellency Adajan, Dean of Diplomatic Corps, distinguished ambassadors and heads of mission, honorable ministers, Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मैंने आप सबको यहाँ पर इफ्तार की दावत पर इकट्ठा किया और शहर रमज़ान की तवस्सुत से ये बरकतों का महीना है और हम यहाँ पर इकट्ठे होकर एक बामी यगानगत और इत्तेहाद का पैगाम दे रहे हैं. Excellency, it's really a great pleasure and an honor to have our brothers from Islamic world on this table this evening, and I would like to extend Ramadan Mubarak to all of you and hope that this month of fasting will shower upon all of us Allah's infinite mercy and kindness. I am here this evening as elected Prime Minister of coalition of parties, political parties, and would like to assure you on my behalf and on their behalf that we would like to work very closely with our Islamic countries with whom we have fraternal relationship, a relationship of brotherhood and trust and mutual respect. Obviously this month teaches us Allah's eternal message of sacrifice, patience, helping teeming millions, helpless people, coming to the rescue. And by the same token of imagination, it is also an extension of our mutual cooperation, whether it is in the field of politics or trade, investment, exchange of views. I think Ummah needs unity and unity of action and thought at this moment than never before. It's really a great moment for me to be addressing you as Khyber Pakistan and like to convey you this message that we would be looking forward to reaching out to you, to your leadership, for collective good of Muslims around the globe, from Casablanca to Kuala Lumpur. And in that, we would work with you hand in glove to promote brotherhood, bridge differences wherever they are, and utilize our collective wisdom and collective efforts to eradicate poverty and unemployment. Muslim countries who are blessed with infinite natural resources and who have visionary leadership have established their credentials beyond any ray of doubt. And today they are leading lights of Islamic world. And I'm sure, I have no doubt about the fact that in this day and age, they will be striving to help those Muslim countries, not through doles, not through handouts. That is not the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has ordained that we should promote brotherhood, we should work together, we should trade together, make investments, promote education, health. This is the eternal message of Quran Kareem and Uswa Hasna of Nabi Kareem, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And I believe in this message, and I want to work with all of you in your country's leaderships in this direction. And that's how, Excellencies, we will be able to eradicate poverty, unemployment, have more love and affection in our hearts for each other. Therefore, I think it's high time that we really stand with each other in a fashion that the rest of the world can take, respect us, trust us, and see for themselves that here is a block of countries, if not excelling the model of the European Union, matching them. It's a long journey, no doubt. It will not happen overnight, no doubt. It will require sacrifice, patience, hard work, and untiring efforts. But if we resolve that Ummah must command respect within and without, then this is the only and the surest way forward. I'm not here to deliver a sermon, Excellencies, but my humble submissions for your kind consideration. And today, as I speak, the house of Palestine is burning. Look at the atrocities committed by Israeli forces over there. And it is not for the first time. It spans over decades. And our hearts go out for those families who have lost their loved ones. And we pray for their betterment and recovery of injured sooner rather than later. And this is a burning issue. Unless it is settled according to the norms of justice and fair play, peace will never return to this world. Similarly, Kashmir, in the valley of Kashmir, the valley is red due to the blood of Kashmiris. Day in and day out, they are being sacrificed by Indian occupying forces. Their right to self-determination has been denied till date. And there are scores of UN resolution, Security Council resolutions, resolution on the floor of Indian Parliament during the days of late Jawaharlal Nehru. He made a solemn commitment on the floor of the House that we will provide the right of self-determination to Kashmiris. Till date, this has not been honored. Why? And I'm being very honest to you, because if we don't stand united, if we don't share our happiness and moments of grief together, if we don't eradicate poverty in our countries, if we don't empower our people and provide them with modern techniques of education and technical education, and make them great workers of respective societies and countries, we will not be able to achieve our goals, just goals. Therefore, I think it's high time that we make OIC more empowered and more vibrant. We had just had our Foreign Ministers Conference here. I'm very grateful to all our Islamic countries who sent their foreign ministers and envoys over here. And the entire Pakistan welcomed their guests, not guests, brothers. And I think this should be promoted I think, in time to come, so that we address our issues individually and collectively and find our place in the community of nations. I think I will not say more. Suffice it to say that we are very grateful with your presence here, and we look forward to working with your leaderships. I am very grateful to messages of Mubarakbad or congratulations I've received from our brothers in Gulf countries, from Saudi Arabia, from Iran, from Qatar, and other countries around the globe. Islamic world has to stand for its missions and aims. And the Islamic world has to work closely with the Western world and with Far East and all the countries around the globe in a manner that we achieve progress, promote progress. We achieve peace and promote peace. That is the way forward. أخوان الكريم أنا مشكور جدا للسعادة والله العظيم أنتم ضيوف لكن إخوان هذا هو وهذا بلدي وبلدكم إن شاء الله نانا في الوقت المستقبل والقوي إن شاء الله لكن الرياضة ضروري هذا نقطة مهمة جدا شكرا جزيلا مع السلامة. This humanitarian issue in Afghanistan is a challenge not only for neighboring countries like Pakistan, Iran and other countries, but not only for entire Ummah, but the entire world. And unless we really focus on this serious Afghan issue, I don't think peace can be restored in this part of the world and in an extended way other countries. Therefore, my request would be that we must raise our voice for addressing the issues of our Afghan brothers and sisters. Thank you very much.